Well, got a little bit of something interesting going on today. I'll be turning this plain metal floor into some new subfloor. And we don't have a whole lot of ceiling height, so I wanted to do some foam on the floor, foam board, but it's just not enough headroom in here. We're not planning on being in too cold of climates or camping in the winter, so you know, this is not, we're not going to be living in this thing, so we're not too awful worried about the cold. You know, obviously it'd be nice to have it insulated, but we just don't really have the headroom. So anyway, the worst part was this first board up here. I made all that first board all in one piece. I didn't want to have all these little cut pieces in here for vibration and noise. I wanted the thing to be solid, so I put it all down in one big piece. And I'm using again these Tech screws here, and these I believe are 1 7/16 or something, but they are a wood to metal screw. And I went underneath the bus, and just to make sure that I didn't have any issues with wires or anything I was going to screw into, I checked underneath the bus, and luckily we've got a hollow channel underneath there where the floor pans are. So just screwing these straight down to the floor, and I'm not going to bore you with all the cutting and screwing down because I just have to time lapse that, and what fun is that? So anyway, hoping we get this finished up today. Today's 4th of July, and you probably won't be seeing this for a while, so it obviously won't be the 4th of July when you watch this, but we'll try to get this thing knocked out the rest of the day. Don't have a lot of time. It's already about 1 o'clock. I spent the biggest part of the morning just trying to get this one piece cut. You can see my dog back there. Anyway, well, just trying to keep y'all up to date on what's going on. Had a lot of thunderstorms the past couple of days, so haven't been able to do a whole lot of filming. Been trying to just get stuff knocked out on the holiday weekend, and just messing with the camera constantly just burns up too much time. So anyway, here's my floor. Hopefully she's gonna get done today. Yep, catch y'all later.